Whoa. Very fancy. Very fancy. Whoa! Well, that's an obstacle I don't think you're going to get around. Let me turn you around. What you going to do? Uh-oh. Well, I think it was a massive success. Major success. I think you should turn around and go the other way. Here, let's try. Look. Get the other side. Go on the other side. Just don't hit your head on the bed. Yeah, see? You can do that. That's cheating. Good. Oh, obstacles. Yeah, back up. Very smart. Whoa, careful. Nice, watch out. What are you doing? Interesting. Whoa! Crash! We need a bigger room. Good job.